Want to keep your family safe and your home secure? One of the best ways to do that is to illuminate your backyard. In this video, I'll show you some powerful motion-activated lights that are charged by the sun during the day and provide instant illumination when motion is detected at night, giving you added security and peace of mind. These lights are very well made. I use them in my own backyard to keep my family safe. The solar panel is large enough to completely charge the internal battery, even on days with limited sunshine. I mounted a set of these lights on the corner of my pool cage so I could bend one light to provide coverage around the corner. To make sure the holes were evenly spaced and level, I used a homemade wooden template to pre-drill the mounting holes. When it's dark outside, these lights will turn on automatically when they sense motion and stay on as long as motion is detected. I installed these lights in 4 different locations in my backyard, and I have complete peace of mind knowing no 2-legged or 4-legged creature is going to walk in my backyard without attracting attention. Now, if you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up so more people will have a chance to see it. Thanks for watching.